Good morning, everyone, from our beautiful and amazing farm. God today has given us this wonderful morning filled with fresh air, sunshine, and peaceful sounds of nature, and we are so grateful to share it with you. Today, we got up from our beds a bit late because we knew we were coming to have some work on our farm. It's 9 a.m. in the morning in Africa, which the sun is up. You will think it's noon. So guys, welcome back to this beautiful channel, Ramson City Village Life and Travel, where every day is a journey into the heart of simplicity, tradition, and the beauty of rural life. So today, we are taking you on a special tour around our farm, a place where hard work meets harmony, and every corner has a story to tell. From the rustling crops to the cheerful animals, from the early morning calls to the quiet moments under our farm. Come along and experience the rhythm of farm life with us. So grab your cup of tea, sit back, and let's start this day together. This other section that I'm pointing right now is an area we've set aside especially for growing hay for our animals. In one of our upcoming videos, I promise to take you through the entire process of harvesting hay and how we do use it to feed our cows right here in the compound. So stay tuned. I will upload a video in future showing you how I do harvest the hay. Over here, as you can see, is the section we've set aside for growing beans. All of these leaves you are seeing down here are beans, but they are not mature yet for harvesting. We are patiently waiting for them to fully grow so we can bring you the best harvest in our next video. And here are cassava leaves, very healthy and full of nutrients. In fact, we made a video recently where we fried cassavas, and it was so sweet and delicious. Just so you know, the cassavas we used in that video weren't harvested from our farm. We actually got them from the nearest market. Be sure to check out that video on our channel to learn how to fry cassavas perfectly. This other section here is set aside for kales, or some call it sukuma wiki. They are very healthy and ready to be harvested. What I love about living in the village is you don't need a lot of money. What you really need is a farm like this, and you'll never have to worry about lacking food. If I'm not wrong, most of you have seen this plant before. Here in our village, we call it Malenge. We would love to hear from you. What name do you call it? Where you are from? Drop your local name in the comments section so we know what you call it from your village. Also, don't miss our videos where we cooked malenge and served it with traditional porridge, and another amazing video where we prepared chapatis made from malenge. They turned out so delicious. Be sure to check them out on our channel. We've already uploaded them. Do you know what this is? Here we have a rosemary spring, and that's the English name I know you call it. Such a wonderful herb. We love dipping it in our tea to add a lovely fragrance and a calming touch. It not only makes the tea smell amazing, but also helps you relax and feel peaceful. A simple, natural way to brighten your day right here on the farm. We also have bananas growing over here at this end. Take a moment, feel the calm, sweetness, and cool, refreshing environment that surrounds us here in the village and on this farm. It's truly a place to be. I know you love it. Here is another section full of fresh Dania. What do you call Dania from where you're coming from? It's super healthy, very green, and full of flavor. And hey, if you ever find yourself in Kenya, especially in Nakuru, don't forget to pay me a visit so I can treat you to some of this amazing food. Now let me show you how broccoli grows. It's always exciting to see how this healthy vegetable starts right from the soil and slowly forms those beautiful green heads we all love. Come take a close look. Follow me. Take a look at this. This is how broccoli grows. As you can see, it starts right here in the middle, gently protruding from the plant like a little crown. You can see how firm and fresh it is. This is the part that keeps growing bigger and tighter until it's ready for harvest. Isn't that amazing? It is, by the way. Just look at how nature works. You'll enjoy. Have you ever tasted this? So after seeing all this, I know you are probably wondering about the story behind this beautiful farm. Well, let me tell you a little bit about it. This farm didn't just appear overnight. It's the result of years of hard work, patience, and a deep love for the land. It started as a small piece of soil, and little by little, season after season, we turned it into what you are seeing today. Every section has a purpose. From the hay for our animals, the beans, cassava, sukuma wiki, the malenges, the dania, the banana, and even the rosemary spring we just saw. Each crop tells its own story, and each one is part of the rhythm of our daily life, since this is where we woke up to each and every morning. What I love most is that this farm provides more than food. It gives peace, purpose, and a deep connection to nature. Guys, let me tell you, out here you learn to appreciate the simple things: fresh air, clean food, and the joy of harvesting something you've planted with your own hands. You don't need much money to live well. Out here, just a bit of land, a willing heart, and God's blessings. So as the camera takes you through our farm, feel the calm, the life, and the love poured into every corner of this land. This is our home, this is our village, and this is village life. And we are happy to share it with you. Ramson City, village life, and travel. Guys, keep watching our amazing village videos. I know we have the best for you, and we have the best for you that is not yet with you. Let the camera give you its best.